Welcome back to AIM Vision Safety Training and Consulting. Today, we're here to answer one of the most frequently asked questions about our online training courses. So, how long is the ISO 45001 Lead Auditor course? Let's find out. When it comes to gaining expertise in auditing occupational health and safety management systems, our ISO 45001 Lead Auditor course is the perfect choice. Now, let's dive into the duration of this comprehensive online training. AIM Vision Safety understands the importance of flexibility in today's fast-paced world. That's why our ISO 45001 Lead Auditor course is designed to accommodate your schedule. You can complete it at your own pace, anywhere and anytime. The course consists of engaging video lectures, interactive quizzes, and real-world case studies. It's a dynamic learning experience that ensures you grasp the concepts thoroughly. Now, let's get to the burning question. How long does it take to complete the ISO 45001 Lead Auditor course? On average, most participants complete the course within 40 to 60 hours. However, remember that you have the freedom to adjust the pace according to your availability and learning style. Once you successfully complete the course, you'll receive a prestigious ISO 45001 Lead Auditor certificate from AIM Vision Safety Training and Consulting, recognized worldwide. So, whether you are an aspiring auditor or looking to enhance your auditing skills, our ISO 45001 Lead Auditor course is the perfect choice for you. Visit our website or contact us today to enroll and embark on your journey towards becoming an expert in occupational health and safety auditing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like to enroll in our ISO 45001 to 2018 Lead Auditor course, please contact us at AIM Vision Safety Training and Consulting.